All right, first thing tomorrow, a jury resumes deliberating the fate of a man accused of running down a police sergeant. He faces attempted murder charges for hitting Sergeant Patrick Kepp on I-270 in Gaithersburg back in 2023. Now, while we wait for a verdict in the case, our Matt Gregory discovered it is already having an impact on road safety.
Tonight, the jury deliberates around the idea of intent, right? Did Raphael Mayorga intend to hit Sergeant Patrick Kepp that night? If so, the prosecution argues that would make it first-degree attempted murder. And while that outcome is still waiting to be determined, Sergeant Kepp's case has already changed law across the state of Maryland.
Thursday, state prosecutors laid out their final argument that Raphael Mayorga deliberately swerved into Sergeant Patrick Kepp as he sped toward him on 270 near Gaithersburg in 2023. Mayorga's defense wrapped their case saying that what Mayorga did was, quote, stupid, but he tried to swerve out of Kepp's way. The jury then left and deliberated for 3 hours before being dismissed for the day just before 4:30 this afternoon.
My name is Sergeant Patrick Kepp with the Montgomery County Police Department.
Beyond the courtroom, Sergeant Kepp's story has made big changes. This year, he told that story in front of the General Assembly to expand a reckless driving law.
What's critical to this proposed legislation is that the individual that I was trying to stop that night was a menace to the roadways of Montgomery County, Frederick County.
Sergeant Kepp testified that before the tragic incident, he had clocked Mayorga another time driving 136 miles per hour in a 55. But the worst charges he could have faced?
All of those offenses, all of those driving offenses, when brought to court, would be punishable by a maximum fine of just about $500 and points on a license.
The General Assembly listened and this year passed the Sergeant Patrick Kepp Act. It imposes stricter penalties, including potential jail time on drivers convicted of exceeding 30 miles per hour past the speed limit, all in hopes that the tougher penalty will curb reckless driving and speeding.
Jury deliberations are set to pick up tomorrow morning. In Rockville, Matt Gregory, WUSA 9.
So for years,